Say goodbye to dark underarms, elbows and knees. Try these 4 magic home remedies. Dark underarms, elbows, knees, and other body areas can be a common concern for many people. These areas can become dark due to friction, dead skin buildup, hormonal changes, or even the use of certain products. Here are some top natural home remedies to help lighten these areas effectively. 1. Lemon juice and baking soda. Lemon juice is a natural bleaching agent, and baking soda acts as an exfoliant. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1 tablespoon baking soda. Instructions: mix the lemon juice and baking soda to form a paste. Apply the paste to the dark areas and gently scrub in circular motions for about 2 to 3 minutes. Leave it on for another 10 minutes, then rinse off with lukewarm water. Repeat this 2 to 3 times a week for the best results. 2. Potato juice. Potatoes contain natural bleaching properties that can help lighten dark areas. Ingredients: 1 potato. Instructions: grate the potato and extract the juice. Apply the juice to the dark areas and let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Do this daily for effective results. 3. Yogurt and turmeric. Yogurt contains lactic acid which helps in exfoliation, and turmeric is known for its skin lightening properties. Ingredients: 2 tablespoons yogurt, a pinch of turmeric. Instructions: mix the yogurt with the turmeric. Apply the mixture to the dark areas and leave it on for 15 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Use this remedy 2 to 3 times a week. 4. Aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel has soothing and skin lightening properties. Ingredients: fresh aloe vera gel. Instructions: extract fresh aloe vera gel from the leaf. Apply it to the dark areas and leave it on for 20 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water. Repeat this daily for best results. In addition to these natural remedies, I have provided some of the helpful product which is available in Amazon.in that can help lighten dark areas. Check out the links in the description below for more details. I hope you found these remedies and product recommendations helpful. If you try any of these, let me know your results in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, HerbeeLife, Health and Wellness. Your support means the world to me. Stay beautiful, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.